Kaspa mining is becoming more and more difficult every single day, particularly for at-home miners with an average electrical residential rate. Many of you that have bought the KS0 Ultras, including myself, over the last few months are finding that these things just simply are not profitable anymore, and you ask yourself, is it worth even turning on? But outside of mining Kaspa directly, there are a few different ways as to how you can not only increase your profits, but significantly increase your profits to make them a much more viable option and keep them mining long into the future. So today I'm going to show you exactly how we can do that. But before we do, as always, hit that like button for me, consider subscribing, and let's get straight into it. All right, so to begin, let's see where we started. So I first bought my 10 KS0 Ultras. Yes, got excited. For top dollar, I might add as well, because you know, that's how I like to do it. Buy really expensive hardware that turns into stuff that is making you no money. So watch my videos, but don't do what I do, or maybe do sometimes, or don't, up to you. So anyway, $3 profit when we first started, and this is at 17 cents per kilowatt hour, which is my 24-hour total, including my solar, which works out to about 11 cents USD, right? So a pretty decent rate. But as you can see at the moment, losing 2 cents. This has just been an epic fall of epic proportions, just down and down and down until we're in this situation like we are now. So we've had a few nice little spikes, KRC 20 boosts, things like that, but pretty much at any residential electric rate, like let's say 15 cents, which is 10 cents USD, you're making 3 cents profit. And I think the average in the States, the average electrical cost is 15 cents USD, which is probably like, I don't know, 22 cents Aussie. So as you can see, losing a ton of money. But as we mentioned, mining Kaspa directly, you're not making much, if any, even at a really good electric rate. So let's move along and I'll show you exactly how you can turn these things into good profit margin again, because I was surprised. Shout out to my boy Andrew in Discord. He's one of my friends and a subscriber as well. He's put me onto this, and I want to help you guys increase your profits. You know, that's what we do here. We do the numbers. We want to help people make a little bit of money. So let's move on over and get straight into it. So how are we going to actually make some profits on here? Well, very simple. As you can see on the screen, we are gonna rent the KS0 Ultra out, and any other hardware that you might want to rent out as well is supported here. So similar to Claw AI and many of the other AI rental platforms, it's basically peer-to-peer hash rate swapping. So you're giving them hash rate, they're paying you money in a number of different currencies, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Bitcoin. You can sort of choose what you want here. So you can have a read of everything you want on this website here. I'll leave a link down in the description. But very self-explanatory. There's no commitment. You can turn it on and off whenever you want. It's set and forget. You can set pools that you want to mine to idly as well while they're not being rented. So a really simple, user-friendly way of actually making some money. So let's have a look at what some of these numbers are, right? Because there's no point in just renting if you're not making profitability. But spoiler alert, the numbers are pretty nice. So let's get into that. So let's check out some of the actual numbers. We've set a few filters here. So minimum 400 gigahash to represent the KS0 Ultra, and a minimum of 24 hours, just so I don't have to do the maths, divide by 24 times by this, you understand. But you know, some of the actual numbers here of the rented machines. So let's take this first one, the KS3. Oh, it's got a 500 gigahash hash rate, but an average of 429. So some pretty nice silicon lottery there for the time being. That puts the 24-hour fee that you're being paid for this at 95 cents. So if we look at what our actual income would be at our electricity rate, would be 39 cents. The electricity would be 41 cents. So we'd be making about 50 cents profit just on one KS0 Ultra, which has taken us back, you know, all the way to the end of August, finally getting some actual profit again. There's also some on the higher end of the spectrum here, which looks like, you know, about a 70% increase in price. Let's take this 0.000012118 BTC per 24 hours. This person's currently getting paid $1.66 AUD. So that's putting this KS0 Ultra profit back up to $1.20. So, you know, all the way back to the start of August when things were pretty nice. So really nice. Now, obviously, not all of these are rented. Some of them are going to get rented faster than others, but if you're looking for something to do with your KS0 Ultra, might not be a bad place to put it. And even if you were to take the median 24 rental price for these ones that are actually rented right now, you know, say you were at point, you know, what do we got, 7 there, 6 there, say you're at 0.8. So we'll do some fudging of these numbers, change that 6 to an 8. You know, it's $1.20 median price, which is going to put you at about an 80-cent profit. So pretty spicy. Back to the start of August again. So I have got my KS0 Ultras listed up on here as well. Where are they? 1, 2. My rental price is a little bit lower. This is the automated rental price. So let's have a look at what that is giving me as far as profitability. So 69 cents AUD. So we'd still be looking, you know, at about, say, 28 cents profitability, taking us back months again. So a really good option if you've got a KS0 Ultra and you're looking for something to do with it. That is going to wrap it up, guys. Just a quick one for you. I know there's a lot of people who've got KS0 Ultras and aren't doing anything with them. They're either losing money or turning them off. So I thought this might be helpful for some people, just to make a little bit of extra profit off them, recoup some of those upfront costs. Now, there has been a huge price reduction on them. So, you know, right now, they're not a bad buy. I wouldn't have bought them in hindsight at the price that I paid for them, but if you had to do it again at the current prices, probably not a bad idea. And if you are looking for some, stay tuned. We'll hear a quick word from today's sponsor, and then that will wrap up the video. Peace! Attention crypto miners, are you ready to level up your mining game? Then look no further than CryptoMinerBros.com, your go-to source for top-of-the-line mining equipment. Crypto Miner Bros stock the latest ASIC miners and partner with the most trusted brands like Bitmain, Goldshell, Jazzminer, and Ice River, just to name a few. Plus, with manufacturers' warranties of 6 to 12 months, worldwide shipping, and 24/7 customer support, you're fully covered no matter where you are. And don't forget, you can use code BEARMINER at checkout or click the link in description to save $70 on all products store-wide. Visit CryptoMinerBros.com today and start mining smarter.